Utie oha echi ponkno. Needs FM.
200% research allowance amusimu atumu no. And they say research no assign na kwa kuduru. Sika mutu ya de ma lecturers no.
Oh, maybe pa omutika ma meto appoint. This year here. E pese o check from lecture.
Where a public document wa bontia obi enem. Omo che say na e free 500 cedis and amutu mo equal 1500 cedis. And no ye allowance no. Aha. But
what yeah, 500 equal 1500.
Aha. It is say no ye no kre. Enti omo ka say a book allowance ya wono mu ese mutua no $1,500 sa netie. Say yade amatum say 200% dey at least e was say e kobe say $4,500.
No, $20,500 from 2013 18 no. But calculation is very different.
And they say I na modi abeka ho.
Ya ba be tuma fe na obi su bi ta na book na say we see bi na ba. Ade no de ye ba ye no. Ye be tu ye ye wow, Catherine is 500, yeah, 4,500. Yeah, two Peter for any thing. And so because I didn't know at the ABM one, I said, you better know which is. Well, what the others is I didn't 500. You took 4,500. I may be able to get in the tank. Obia Jenny.
Yo, ye bena se na asem ba kwa no so moka ho asem me pese wankasa obobo so eniema hodo interventions a NPP aban mo ba ye from 2016 to 2020 watimi aye e de aboama ye nwumasua akonenem.
Yo mami for say polita mami e dia na me ka o share 2012 manifesto of the NDC. Polita ka so be 10 college of education across the nation. Polita ka da
Pepa chon maybe so mo ehun asem ebisa
e ba ehun omu ta ka say zongo communities nyina no omu be locate people case and take institution zombos no ma grade o ma grade ni nyina and then me you ka say what that be say omu akoye to zombos ni ade ni affect akoye 8 years o ma ti ba ye omu ka so be so say basic education is free as the case basic education is free me you be say basic education from KG to JHS and you can want it on the two capitation as on the 10 of the cow.
Me bao. Meja obin. Meja de obin. Enti me bodin a me bonu firi makoma mpa. Enti meja bin tem wa hakakra. E de ni de na NPP mo ba ya Ghana nwumasua mu between 2016 and the year 2020. Motimi aye a e de sakraye ene mpuntuo aba ye education sector.
Yo mami phone free nkolas I'm running teacher separate. And I make say basic school you can't KG no. You can say basic 163 KG kindergarten. Our manifesto South Africa no near my. Then we know can say you over 110 KG. Our basic level on 110 out of 163 every year. You can even have ongoing project. And we have 1 2 over basic from class P1 to P6 for JHS. Capitation grant represent for the buyer. People go from the two NDC buy. What is 50%? Yeah, the two capitation gas start 50%. Never you pay for 90 days and then 10 days. And then the basic school no bra. So because the basic school no is free. Or just kind of the focus on master. Now the next mile free. And then we look at it 10 days per start for basic school no. Or more to my yes, for me got 50%. And look at it now. When we be upper form 1, upper form 3. Oba to BC no na registration e no na be di I barrier man to ani bebre na no odu of no guy school so ni ma mi so ni set of ni papa ni ska e je ba be try registration fini man kola no I nei that transition from P6 to JHS from JHS to French SHS no I so smooth be bia ni one no no ni excuse bia to do for 3 also BC but about for free when you am promise the buy ya yes no that's not planning you do form 1 about when you other and then no photo free technique. Ni bibia is free. Of course school free. Oh yeah. Asa go to exam ne kwa no ka afi we registration fee for the SSC what see about it here. E di akwani be ti ka ko no. Kuja wo ba de ni post school. Of course a find way to of course free star at free summer obedru friend SSC. Now so ni dey mo e wo mi e stand it say. Takwanya 18 years ah. Eni kwa so ye juma. That day na kola 40 50 years. Yes, we more street. Something I'm speech for my school because my BC. and then you will be because I know that's where we are for there SS na we so just here na SS na we na say e go aba na the plano e for we SS na so the to the work and na let's say education no ya improve no upon the new change that so yes and one two maybe to mo ka so be ma free wifi so you about my people testing ko all senior high school wifi is free all TVET institutions wifi is free 85% of the money schools ni na ya usually wifi I free. I lay school being over to say I bought no you know. I don't try online. But other gadgets we use for online you know, zero rated free. If you don't step out of there was free. I didn't hear that. Now, you can't school be a school under CSS. There is that school no under school selection you know. The school is a technical school, senior high school, vocational school, and also no free. But any just was on back, free. I also in charge. I didn't free that also the bar, main free. There be a research cadet for mine, community academy, from those at the end, different schools free that. If you have home, the table also very free. There are also very technical free. Any another example for the castle very free. Now, because I find in the banana. Because one break at the free the fact that it is similar. So, Mama said, Cano Esododo, or the other football. No one said the table so bad, who back to private schools. And you're not done out of that. Who back to private schools. I didn't can't say no six canals of the that's kind of how you say you know. Now then out to me and study my company. And then out to me study university university. I'll say a shame in my day. And will be or Catabia so 10 years. The transfer for the SS or Castle Bay or Bana Dana the football. It's one about free. Kind of 40 days. You are the end by one of Saturday. Get a difference nearby. Let the Dajun or any Saturday. The Catabia bedroom, any bedroom. The Catabia event will be any event will be. Now double track. Also about the double track because who is evil. Now say Obiba Wesley girl. That's the thing you evil for Madina. And I'm your evil see. Alabama over you know. We get that evil now. And then the double track Wesley girl. Now what I didn't chat here. Because I can't the issue the Wesley girl. I thought of Alabama school now for Beko of Madina Gay and for Beba. I can't issue Madina no. Put me for sure that it's not in for Madina. Because computer life is selecting process no. And water. So the continuous efforts are when that's basically not the taco issue. If the Ebros who get in our channels and granted issue, and then I end double track money. A quite person ended double track there. Schools no, schools over 73 now, at 8 schools now. If I do any do that schools are very improved infrastructure or we will be infrastructure now. Not to do any of my I mean, look at the infrastructure, yes, schools. We didn't say a day, I'm a continuous student in the contract 21 years. Who don't schools are on the double track. Wow, then, 5 to 7 years, my own plan. It's that promise about better double track. Opposite, I didn't abandon the car. And now they're called the bar, or just here. I don't say it. One come to the end to me. A better clear 20 years. You are here and not just here. On one of the ball black to surface. Am I the no way you bought you that only that photo. Am I the dim? Oh, just a silver sort of Sabacata. It's a honor here. The best. Mumba, my kind of 20 years old. Ghana for him said, and Kola over 100,000. Young to Mambu Street because of the autism. I made double tracking. Can't Kolani in a fine corner. Omuka, Obuka said, Apolano, what's old school ornament? The fountain was here, or back out, or your better person to see it. If you're already a vessel, and I'm like a woman called it's me about it's a market to see any number education. Yeah. Not to NDC record and mother dear. A focus of education now, or Mutanema, Uba SHS, or Mumma, basic school Mumma. Now you best describe it, and Yama Yayo or Wow Castle Bar, about the year, pretty wife on the airport. Major is not to see away now. Any fun I work for, the new in our project farm. Ain't a white pencil. Ain't fun a white pencil.
And ain't for Wi-Fi. Now Wi-Fi, now shall say, yeah, Juma.
Oh,
Some Mokan, some obey, but me, Besame Bissau. Mwaka Crowd has a contract awarded to provide free Wi-Fi connectivity to all 722 senior high schools, 46 colleges of education, 16 regional offices, and 260 district education offices. Etinami bisa say na ben na esha se contractor ben kura na eye ho adwuma.
Henya contractor ya ye dada ya
ba mo manifesto mu oh meba meje tie me kakra wa ha. Mo manifesto no said the mo area arrangement na eye kama pa emu ada ho pefe mo promises na mo promise ye one side and na kwan ya mo fa so na say de mo aye nso no mo achieve no what we have done so far and also so mo dey about the right side ha say how much share na kama enti mo na mo say what we have done so far under Wi-Fi ho asema mo kan promise na ye collaborate with the private sector to provide free Wi-Fi coverage to senior secondary schools and tertiary institutions. And now what we have done so far, any contract awarded to provide free Wi-Fi connectivity to all 722 senior high schools and others. And maybe say the bank and na ebe shasi because contract there what the ama. I don't know sa shasi and na en shasi you know my young.
Yo medaji. Me say en kwa no school fund for Sana yes is for you know. 85% of all the senior high schools Wi-Fi are installing engagement.
Wow.
Already engaging crowd also ma obibia akoko bisa. Schools you know.
Indeed, are you fully connected?
Fully connected.
To how many
Fully
schools?
Connected. For colleges of education, you know. College of education, but you will be called on what check. Say Wi-Fi na ejuma na say ejuma. If I talk for regional offices, because you say Wi-Fi na ejuma and I say ejuma. For 260 district education offices, you know. Major ones, you know, I don't say over 70%. Mobile because say Wi-Fi na ejuma na say ejuma. Contract na award you know. I say how we go show a project a project. Some more percentage, you know. The DB will be ano. Okay, we say and they have no cut. The will be director, no. We got director, not the director. Only dead on Baba installation.
Okay.
Would ye or ha extra punk no? Needs FM.